Hi, I'm Tom Sommers with Coldwell Banker Burnett. Welcome once again to my podcast. Today I want to talk about associations and what they are. Typically you'll see a homeowners association with a condominium or a townhome, some type of structure where you have multiple units in an area. With an association, there is the association itself, which is made up of a body of the people who typically live on property. They elect presidents, they elect a treasurer, and it's essentially a meeting typically once a month where they discuss items about that particular unit or section with regards to having to put a roof on or improving everyone's garage doors or whatever it might be. Then they also hire a management company. Now the management company is the one who typically goes through and takes care of everything. So the management company is hired by the association to take care of the snow removal and the lawn care and the exterior maintenance of the building. So when you're looking at a cost of owning a single-family home versus owning a townhome or a condo with an association, you really have to look at all of the details, because in many cases you might realize that owning a townhome with an association is actually less money at the end of the day than owning a single-family home. Now, I'm not saying that one is better than the other, but you want to kind of compare apples to apples. So one of the most important things that the association fee should cover is hazard insurance. When it covers hazard insurance, that's essentially your exterior insurance should the building burn down. If you own a single-family home without any type of association fee, you're going to have to buy homeowners insurance. So with a townhome or condo, you'll still have to buy that additional, what they would call renter's insurance, which is maybe a couple $100 a year to insure the interior or all of your personal belongings. But when you look at it side by side, sometimes the cost of a single-family home insurance policy is a lot higher at the end of the day than just the association fee. So on top of the hazard insurance, typically what you'll get is snow and lawn care. Sometimes it will include sewer and water, so that's one less bill that you would have if you were a single-family homeowner. Exterior maintenance, as well as property management or professional management. So it's put together to try to be cost effective, not only in saving you money on your homeowner's insurance through the hazard insurance, but also taking care of all of the exterior of the building. So you're really only responsible for the interior. They vary in prices. I found that for some reason, and I don't still understand why, the condos can be really, really expensive and 2 to 3 times more than a traditional townhome. And I don't really always see what you're getting that's extra, unless it's one of those condos where you have a pool, exercise room, tennis courts, and all the other things that go along with it. Then some of those extra amenities really make sense. But if it's just a stripped down townhome or condominium, they should be somewhat similar in price. So when you're looking at houses to purchase, specifically a townhome or a condo, you really want to keep an eye on that association fee, because that's the one piece that's not something you can write off on your taxes like you can your interest as well as your property taxes. So at the end of the year, you want to know that you're getting your money's worth for that association. So if you've got 2 townhomes side by side, and one of them is $175 a month and the other one is $250, you really want to ask the question of, well, what's the difference for that $75? Because right there, that $75 in house payment will probably buy you a $20,000 or more higher priced townhome or condo that might put you into a situation with a few more features you want. So just kind of good to be aware of this, and if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to email me or give me a call. If you're in the Minneapolis-St. Paul metro area, happy to help you if you need help buying or selling. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again next week.